Alright, so 4.6 Savage here to mention that Rose just got a new sound. Now, yes, I got rid of the side pipes, and I put some different mufflers on it. I got rid of the last packs. It's actually got an H pipe on it now, but it's the old system I used to have on Rose. But now it's dumped at the rear axle. As you can see, it's Flowmaster Original 40s dumped at the rear axle, and you got the pipe, flex pipe, you got your H pipe, and give you a little sound clip and what y'all seem to think about it. So I'll do a far start. Now, the camera angle isn't going to be good, I apologize for that, but my phone doesn't have a good stand on it. So I'll aim it right there. It's your little sound clip, and now we're going to talk about her new look. She got a black paint job a while back, and it's still peeling. Need to do another coat, but it doesn't look awfully that bad. The whole car's painted black. It was Krylon Power Max, I think. I like it. It's nice gloss. It's not a matte black, and it shines. Now, next summer I'm going to redo it, and I'm going to coat it a couple more times and get everything. Now, a couple of new changes are still going to be happening. Like, first off, I just want to mention, I got me some nice meaty tires for the rear. I got some G-Force TAs from BF Goodrich. They're 245/40s. I was running 225/45s, like I'm running up in the front here, which is, these are Falcon Pro G4s, and so far I love them. But as for that, I'm going to have an install video coming up on the wideband, maybe. Depends how frustrated I get. I can't find my GoPro as of now, so we're kind of in the midst of that, and how-to videos are kind of on hold. But thanks for the new subs to the channel. I'm just glad to have y'all, and I'm glad y'all are joining. Y'all are joining at a steady rate, and I'm glad that this channel's doing well. We're almost at 200. If we push it, we can do it, guys. So remember, like and subscribe to this video. You know, I've got plenty of more videos coming up. I'm not quitting, you know, not anytime soon at least. And that's about all I can do for now. Just remember, be savage.